Welcome to Dashcam Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to upload a backup file in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website that you want to upload your backup file on, click on Dashboard. Now go to Files. Then select File Manager. Click on Access Files of your website. And a new browser page will open up. Here we are now in the Hostinger File Manager app. So here, as you see, do not upload files here. You need to double click this folder called public HTML. Then delete this file. But before that, I will give this website a visit. This is the website. I will give it a visit. As you see, till now it's an empty website. So when I delete this default file like that, just click on the right button of your mouse here and select delete. Make sure to delete it. Now, when I refresh this page, I should see an empty website. As you see, now no files are uploaded to this website. Now to upload my backup file, it's simple. Just on this upload icon, here select file, then locate your backup file on your computer. In my case, this is my backup file. Double click it, and as you see, it will start uploading here. The backup file size is 73 megabytes, and this is the percentage completed and the remaining time. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join Dashcam Builders Academy from this link, academy.dashcam.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And just like that, my backup file was completely uploaded to File Manager in Hostinger. Now to decompress this compressed backup file, same thing, click on the right button of your mouse like that and click on Extract. Here, click on Extract again. But before that, you need to name your folder where your extracted files will reside. For example, let's call it WP and hit extract. Wait a moment, and just like that, this compressed backup file was decompressed into this folder. Now double click this folder to open it. This is another folder, and this is my website name, and this is the public HTML folder, and these are my website files. Now if I click here and refresh, I will see nothing because these website files should be in the original public HTML folder. Now to move them there, it's simple. Just select the first file like that, then scroll down to the bottom, hit Shift or click on Shift on your on your keyboard, and then select the last file. This way you will select all your backup files. Then click on the right button of your mouse and select Move File. Now we are inside this folder, that is inside this folder, and so on to the public HTML. We need to move our files, our backup, decompressed backup files, to this public HTML folder. So I will keep clicking on these two dots, currently navigating on this. No, keep clicking here till you see your current navigation is on files slash public HTML. Now I will click on move, and just like that all my files were moved to the original public HTML folder. Now I can delete this WP folder because it's empty. I will delete it like that. Now when I refresh this page, I should see my WordPress website, but be aware that till now I didn't uploaded the database of WordPress, so WordPress or my WordPress website will not function properly. As you see, now I started seeing the files, or yes, my backup files with a database error. So this is how to upload your backup file in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.